Hi everyone, welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony. As you can see behind me, I got the fryer out. Today we're making chicken wings. Today I'm going to show you how to break down fresh chicken wings. It's simple, it's cheaper. We get about 2 dozen for half the price of what you pay for frozen, already cut wings. So let's get cooking. Recipe, we are going to need whole chicken wings, knife of your choice, it doesn't have to be this big, this is the one I prefer, and the sauce of your choice in a fryer. Alright, now to break this down into 2 wings, we're going to want to take off the wingtip first. If you can see right there, you can see where the joint is starting to buckle. We're going to go through, make a nice little slit. I don't know if you can see, it's right there. Just going to take our knife, right through, just like that. Now, we want to separate that. We're going to come in right through here. Make a nice little slit so we can see where we're going. You see that little bone right there. Just take the knife, go right behind that, straight through. And there we have it. We have our drumstick and our wing. All right, I'll show that to you one more time. First the wingtip. Pull it. Just go right here and down. Alright, now we're going to want to pat these dry with a paper towel and into the fryer. Alright, our wings are all cut up. We're going to go straight into the 350-degree fryer, sorry, forgot what I was saying, for about 6 minutes per batch, or until the internal temperature hits 165 on the wings. Wings are done. Aren't those beautiful? Now this is this is the time where you want to sauce them up. Let's pan back up and get a taste of these things. They're juicy, they're crispy, they're excellent. I love wings. Love them. I really hope this inspires you to cut them yourself at home. It's really not that hard to do. Now I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time. And one more thing. I will be releasing a video here shortly with at least 10 of my wing sauces. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for joining us.